In this guide, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways that you can use to get medium gun parts here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's a few methods, so let's dive straight into this. The first method is going to be from the lobby. If you actually select traders up at the very top, you're going to see an option for Celeste over here. Go ahead and select her. And in this section, you can actually buy up to 3 medium gun parts per day, and each one is going to cost only 15 seeds. This is by far the quickest and most consistent method. The second method is going to be on your inventory, so go ahead and open that up. And if you actually right click on any of your guns, what you can do is actually select recycle down at the bottom of this menu that pops up, and you'll get 3 medium gun parts instantly. Now, it's not guaranteed every single time, and some guns are going to give you a little bit more, but this is a great way to clear out unused gear and farm materials. The third method is on the map, so go ahead and open that up, and what you're going to want to do is hop into missions and explore areas on the map that are highlighted specifically in these red or yellow zones. Yellow is going to have medium loot value and red is going to have high loot value, and these zones are going to give you way better loot. Now, medium gun parts are uncommon, but they're not super rare, so you can find them naturally from looting, but certain arc enemies are going to drop them as well, so just keep that in mind. But that is it. That is the 3 best ways to get medium gun parts fast. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.